Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to put two bullet points on one line in Microsoft Word. So insert, then table, and select table 2 by 1 in the first table. Insert the bullet and type your text here. Now in the second cell for this table, same bullet and type here second or your text here. Now double click here. In borders, select no border and click anyway. Now select and you can make changes. You can make in the center, double click on it and you can make more changes as your requirement. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you.